So now I'm cooking the veggies that I cut up earlier. I like my vegetables to be really soft when they go into the sauce. I also have a pot of lentils going, so I'll stir those occasionally. So now I'm just starting my water for my pasta. And I chose whole wheat pasta, and how I know it's whole wheat is because the first ingredient is a whole grain. As I continue to stir my veggies, I decided to add in some tomatoes that I had in the fridge, and I just wanted those to get soft as well. I then transferred all the veggies into a separate container to save for later until I was left with the empty pan. You'll see I'm not going to add any more oil to the pan because the veggies left enough in there to cook my meat as well. I chose to use ground turkey for this recipe because number one, it's what I had in my fridge, and number two, it's a little bit leaner than ground beef, so it'll have a little less saturated fat. I then just seasoned both sides of the piece of ground turkey. I used a little bit of black pepper, some sea salt, and cayenne pepper. And then once I did the first side, I just flipped it over and did the same thing on the other side. I like this finished sauce to have smaller chunks of meat, so you'll see me breaking it up as it cooks. My water was boiling, so here I'm just adding the spaghetti. In order to temp the meat, I'm going to transfer it to a separate container and then temp it to 165 degrees. I'm using a jarred sauce for this recipe. It's great because it's already made, but I can't control what goes in it. Unfortunately, this one has some added sugars, but since it's what I had, I'm going to go ahead and use it. Now I'm just going to add in my cooked veggies and stir everything to get everything coated in the sauce. So I'm adding a cup of lentils to the sauce that was already mixed. Lentils are a great source of fiber and protein, and as you can see, they really beef up this sauce, so they're a great addition. The great thing about pasta sauce is it's very forgiving, so you can really experiment and try out different vegetables and things that your family likes. So I encourage you to try something new.